What is it?
Yo, when resources again. All right, okay, let's talk about it.
What you doing? What you doing?
Yo, hello everyone. How are you? My face, it's coming. Boom. Hello. How are you? I'm good, thanks. Long time. Finally, a new stream. Different camera perspective, but it's always me.
This is how you hold the pistol.
Yo, Guidebook Gaming! Hello, man. I saw you. You were streaming before. How was it? All good? Hello, everyone. Thank you for the raid. Really, I appreciate it. Big Guidebook, nameless, the big man. Yo, thank you, DVD, for the 100 bits. Woo! Yo, I'm excited. It's been a long time. I was so hyped up yesterday, and that's why I planned the stream. Ituberi. Yo, thank you for the sub, nameless, and for the 100 bits again, Monkey, Supreme, Lensnoke. Wow, okay. So, yeah, this will be a Earth 2 stream, because I've read some comments about the stream saying, hey, but this is not going to be a Earth 2 stream, this will be just a casual one. No, it is not. For the 85-90% of the time, I'm going to talk about Earth 2, a couple of updates for the community. I'll explain a few why. Basically, I was tired of not speaking with the community. We need some hype. We need some improved communication. Thank you again, DVD, for the 100 bits. So yeah, without losing time, I will go. Oh my god, okay. Thank you for the 100. Is there hype train again? There should be, yes, there should be. I can check in a few. In the meantime, I talk. But yes, there should be. So, about communication about this stream. Basically, you know, many of you noticed the... Thank you for the 500 bits. Oh my god, guys, thank you a lot. Yeah, okay. The hype, okay, yeah, okay. To see you, Thomas. Yeah, the hype train, yeah, the hype train works. Yeah, okay.
Let's get the hype train going.
Thank you, really. I don't know how to say it. Yo.
Thank you, Thomas.
Yeah, thank you guys for the hype train and for all the beats, Mr. Green, Supreme again. Thank you a lot. Well, it will be hard for me to speak and thank everyone, in particular at the beginning of the live stream. But hey, no problem. So, yeah, communication. It is extremely important for me to communicate, like, for real. And
we love you, man.
No, don't lie. You don't love me. No, thank you. Yeah, I love you too, guys. That's why I'm here. So I thought to create and to start this live stream to update you guys about some of the topics that we've been discussing for a long time. We have many community concerns and questions, such as, hey, when resources, when this update, what about those bugs, what about your internal and external communication, what is being done to improve all of this. So I was like, okay, fine, let's write a big list and let's discuss about everything. And without saying anymore, oh, I cannot talk about that, because that's bullshit, okay? It's not that we cannot talk about it. There is a reason behind about why something needs to be elaborated more. Yeah, Wolfgang is still on the team. I will talk also about that because, you know, well, I can talk about that now. So if you don't see Marco anymore, what? Guidebook. Why? Why? What? Jeez. Thank you for the 10,000. What the fuck, man? I'm sorry for swearing, but I'm not used to this. Come on. Come on. Yo. Thank you, Emu, for the 100, and again, Supreme for the 400. Really, thank you a lot. And again, DVD for the 100. So, if you don't see Marco on Discord anymore, he asked me to step out of Discord because he was receiving too many DMs, and that was also his personal Discord. So he was like, hey, I'll step out from Discord because anyway, I'm not active. I'll leave to you the job of communicating with the community. And in this way, I will probably feel more comfortable using Discord again, because I cannot chat with my friends. I keep receiving DMs. So if you don't see Marco, same for Wolfgang, all those, is because they don't want to poison their Discord DMs with random ones from people asking a lot of questions, which instead you can ask to me. If I cannot answer, Wolfgang or Marco will not answer anyway. So we are trying to organize this sort of new communication system where everything goes through community managers, and community managers talk with developers internally. So we needed a logic. This is the new logic. Maybe in the future they will come back again into Discord, but for now we need to structure first the logic, and everyone needs to be used to this new system. Gotta put gaming for real. Nameless. Name. Okay. Now I've. Okay, fine, man. You know what? I'll travel to you, and I will give you a kiss, a friendly one. I know you have family and stuff. Okay, I won't join that. But yo, thank you a lot for the 50 subs. Damn it. Can I see who received that? Yeah. A lot of lucky guys here. Got the hype. Whoa, wait a second. Oh my god. Glasgow with 5 tier 1 subs. Thank you. Hype train 500%. How is that possible? Is that something real, like level 5? Is it like, hey? It's not real. Now Twitch will ban me for that. Then he's going to yeah, they're going to leak all the earnings and stuff. Well, really, thank you for the support, guys. Really, a lot. So yeah, about Marco and Wolfgang, they are still working full time, so don't worry about that. But it's good you asked, because clearly if the community doesn't know the background of the situation, and if we don't update you about why something's being done, you may guess wrong things. So that's why I'm here. So yeah, they're still working. All good, okay? Developers are being hired, but no one is leaving. So don't worry. It's all working in the background, even better. Yo, whoa. Okay. Updates. Nameless. Stop. Nameless. Stop. Keep the money. Keep 10,000. Thank you for the 10,000 bits, man. I don't know how to react. I'm not used to this. What should I like get naked to get banned on Twitch? I don't know. What do you usually do? I need to do a drink challenge. You know, the more you donate, the more I will drink, the more I will die inside. That may work. Yeah. Yeah, hot tub stream. Yeah, that's a yo TechOps. Yeah, that's right. Only mods. Yeah, I was planning to do that with the moderators and the other community managers to create a OnlyFans with some random cool stuff, meme stuff, clearly. I don't know. We will do it. Okay, probably. Oliver, just follow. Big man with the music running on your body. How are you? So yeah, this was the first topic. But during the stream, I will share other updates that are relevant for the community, quite important in my opinion. First of all, I would like to introduce the logic that we community managers and moderators have behind the scenes, so that you can feel safe when sharing with us developers updates, concerns, or reports, or I don't know, feature requests. So, well, so Hype Train succeeded. Thank you everyone for the support, really. I appreciate it a lot. So basically, moderators and community managers communicate every day, more or less. There may be a day that maybe I'm offline because I'm doing other things or because I'm busy with internal development stuff, but we communicate all day, and they receive always updates about bugs being fixed, under development, just fixed or approved, and sometimes when new features are coming, clearly. We do hear the community, so every time you guys report a bug, for example, in the general chat on Discord or on Twitter or Reddit, moderators and community managers talk together. We verify if the issue is real, if there is really a problem, and then the same day, I usually talk with the internal developers explaining how to reproduce the issue, and then we prioritize it depending on, the other task being worked on. And usually we try to fix bugs the same day or within 2 or 3 days. There are bugs, as you may be aware already, that still need to be fixed, but we are not just letting those there. Those bugs maybe are big ones connected to other features, also connected to future developments or to future features. So it is more complicated than what it seems, basically. But I have the list here. Okay, I don't want to create a confusion, so let's just follow the list I have in front of me. Yeah, okay, so there are a few bugs still active. And I'll quickly open the list on my side so I can confirm with you guys what we are doing. If we are working and on what we are working clearly, so you will feel safe about the internal organization, I guess. A bug? No, those are not bugs, are features. So let's see. I don't know if you guys have questions about bugs before I proceed with the other topics. Yeah, there's a big one. So the countries being bugged with wrong prices and stuff. Yes, we have a dedicated developers constantly working on it. And at the same times, he works on some other random fixes, because basically, like every game or website is divided into small teams. The big team is divided into different sectors or sections. And there are like front-end developers, back-end developers, QA, all those terms identify all the teams. But so yeah, we have a developer working on this. If you ask, like, can you hire more developers to speed up fixing the issue? No, it doesn't work like that, because you need to operate in one single code or file, and you cannot have 2 developers writing at the same moment in the same script. This is what I was trying to explain in general chat on Discord one day, because someone was complaining about, why don't you push more developers into fixing one single bug? It doesn't work like that. Not always. This is indeed one of those cases. So yeah, but they're working on it. Do we have an AI team? Maybe we call it in a different way. What is AI team? My bad. So if you could explain to me the definition of AI, maybe I call it in a different way, also translating it, because I'm not native English. So that's probably also the issue. But yeah, let me know. So yeah, the big bug about glitched countries, is being worked on, as well as other small bugs. No, we don't have. Okay, I thought you were. Okay, no, we don't have an artificial intelligence team, I guess. I don't know. Basically, if you change 2 things and doesn't fix it, or it does, this means that you don't 100% know what actually changed the result. Yeah, something like that. But yeah, so yeah, then we have still the annoying bug about the right click AWS, the one when trying to open a property with a right click. I'm going to push for this with the next week so we can fix it. Same for properties missing locations. Yeah, we're also working on that. It's like many small tasks being worked at the same moment by different developers. And at the end, all these tasks, or issues, when solved, will combine to one unique hotfix or build release. But everything needs to be structured. We cannot just publish an update with one fix. It doesn't work like that. You need to combine everything together, and every time before publishing an update, you need to test it. This is extremely important. We have a QA team which tests every time, every day, new builds and new features. Some of you may say, yes, but when you release a new update, there are always new bugs. Yes, this is the same for every game. If you think about League of Legends, Overwatch, Paladins, Rust, they test features before releasing. the new update. But then weird bugs happen every time. Like on Rust, for example, which is a survival game, there were sharks flying on the sky. And you were like, didn't they tested that before releasing the update? Yes, they did. But merging the update into the new build, that created some issue. And so that is the moment when a hotfix is needed. Also, yeah, this is a whole different topic. I can talk for hours, but I don't want you guys to get bored with this. And I wanted to proceed with the other updates. I think this is clear, right? So, okay, what is the current E2 staff count? More than what displayed on the website for sure. About the number, specific number, I don't know. But yeah, more than what they are displaying the website. We need to update that part of the website. I know, but we need photos and sometimes description links, and it's like low priority, but at the same time it's high priority. But yeah, we'll get to that point of that equilibrium, you know, where when we will also update that part of the website. If jewels will be consumable before the end of the year. Consumable. Okay, this is interesting. Consumable. Not in the way you think, probably. But I cannot say anything. You know, because yeah, many ask like when resources, also before showing my ugly face on the stream. And if I don't build a building alone, do I have no resources? About resources, we're going to explain that with future updates. Why, you may ask, or why you guys don't have a release date for resources. That's basically because we are still working on foundation features. I hate now to say foundation. I've heard that too many times. I'll be completely honest with you, but that's the correct term. Releasing features such as the resource system, and so spreading our resources, and then implementing other key features may create some confusion, and you will be not happy about it. So we need first to publish or develop or test some final features, and then we can release resources. But we need to follow a logic, an internal logic, and some sort of internal roadmap we have. We are not working, you know, casually. Yeah, today we're going to develop that feature because we don't know what to do. Absolutely not. It is a complex system behind that we need to respect. So why Shane went silent? Because Shane is working extremely hard every day, even during the weekend. Really. Just to talk with me, he had to stay up to 6 a.m. I know that you guys don't want to hear about, you know, how much he sleeps, but that is not cool. He has a family. He works a lot. Same for other members of the team, like the community managers, also during the weekend, 7 days, every day. And other internal developers, such as, I don't know, Florian that you see on the website, which works super close with me. He works even during the evening, sometimes up to midnight, just to be sure that the update we're going to release the next day is good. We are pushing as hell. In the background, there are even more things being developed that you guys don't know. And again, that's why I'm here, trying to communicate a little bit more with you so that you feel safe about the project. Sorry. What is Shane working? Well, Shane is the manager, so I don't really know the specific task he's working on because I cannot clearly know everything about all the developers are working on Earth 2, but I know that he's working a lot managing things. I cannot say what or why, or I don't even have the specific updates about what he's doing, but he's really super busy. So I trust him completely. So far, he always surprised me. So I hope he will surprise you guys as well in a few. Yeah. Yeah, this is important. Nice, nice one. PC. About adverts. So we updated adverts some time ago, right? Adding more links to the map, but a new system for adverts is being developed. So a few days ago, I created a concept. This concept will allow us to add in real time new adverts to the map. So you don't need to wait for an update. Just by adding the website link, the name, and the icon, poop, it will pop up into the map immediately in about, well, within 5 minutes. Time, just, giving the system to update a little bit. But a new system will work. It's being developed basically. So this is a community request. We jumped into it. We had a call, let me see, on Wednesday, I guess, talking about this and planning the development, and so putting this feature inside the pipeline, planning it. So yeah, we're working on it too. This is quite important, I guess. For someone it may seem like a small feature, but it is not. It is important to support the community and to give credits to those communities and, well, better call them projects, megacities, content creators that keep working every day to build the Earth 2 community. It is important to give credits. And I completely support this incredible community. Wow, a lot of questions. Hold on. What about the closed countries? Reunion, Maya, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, that is what I explained before. So there are some issues with countries that are countries. They are fixing those issues, but are like small ones, but all spread around. So the fix needs some more time. And about closed countries, I don't know. That is something connected with Mapbox that updates the map. This is my guess. I asked about that, and they're like, okay, first we fix the countries that are reporting issues, and then we will look into that closed countries topic. And as soon as I have more updates, I will update you guys about this topic. Let me see other questions. So, any time frame on when Essence will become tradable? Is internal but not precise, because we need first to develop other features, and if we need more time to finalize some of them, the time needed may increase, or it may be shorter. We don't know. So when time frame, I don't know. I have literally no clue. Not soon anyway. So yeah. But it may change again. We keep changing every time depending on what needs to be done to better improve Earth 2, and so the user experience. And at the same time, we are also reworking some part of the website, introducing new functionalities so that you guys can better play the game, or the 2D game. Hello. In regards to the advertisement, has E2 gotten inquiries from external parties to display ads? And so, if those ads, and if so, will those ads being to show soon? No, because I managed that queue. Well, yes, I guess. Yeah, only one. We had one company contacting us, because basically when companies write to us, for example, partnership or community management requests, basically I manage that queue. So yeah, only one company asked us about that, which has nothing to do with Earth 2. So I replied to that company a few days ago, so I'm waiting for a reply. Then we will move on to see what we can do. But yeah, anything planned for the first anniversary? Good point. Not yet, but is a discussion, hot topic discussion that we're having internally. So hopefully we will prepare something for the anniversary. Yeah. Well, there are a lot of questions, guys. I'm sorry if I missed some. Please retype the question or copy paste it, that will be cool. Rumors say that the deal which delayed phase 2 some month was closed. GoChain won't come. Is it true? About blockchain or GoChain or all that crypto stuff, I know nothing. I'm not the one managing it. Someone was saying Bitcoin, so I honestly, I don't even know how crypto works. I don't even have a crypto wallet. I'm not the crypto guy. I don't even know where to start. If I only know that if you wanna mine a crypto coin, whatever it is, I don't know if this works only with Bitcoin or with all the crypto, you need a GPU, and so there are all those guys buying a lot of GPUs and creating this shelves full of graphic cards, which is weird for me, but yeah, whatever. No, I don't know anything. I know nothing about it. I'm sorry. That is something that is being managed by someone else inside the team, but I have no clue about its status or how it's going to work or how it's going to be implemented into the game. No clue, really. Are you going to D2 Summit? No, I'll stay here at home working every goddamn day. I'm sorry about that. Yo, I'm missing so many questions. Are you able to share any information on how the players impact by countries locked or that had pricing changes? Again, that is something we need to discuss after the bug will be fixed. Asking me about the closed countries or price bugged countries, I don't know, because we need first to solve the bug, understand where it came from, and then we can prepare a solution and publish the hotfix. There is a process to follow. Asking me the whole future about something we still need to finalize is really hard to answer. For Halloween, I don't know if something's coming for that. Spooky month, I don't know. Spooky month is basically a meme from Pelo on YouTube. Spookymon every year he makes a video about the Halloween day, basically. Is it possible to play Earth 2 as free to play? That was a discussion we had time ago at the beginning, so that is what we are aiming to do, yeah. But clearly the game will be so big that calling it simply free to play doesn't even define the game itself. It is a completely different game, a new type of game. You cannot even call it 3D game. I don't know. You call it metaverse. So it is hard to reply about the future of the game, how we can call it. It is just interesting to wait and see for future updates. Okay, I'll skip down to some question because I'm missing the chat, really. APR before the end of the year. I can ask for the status, so let me write down a few questions you guys are asking to me, so next week we can talk about that. So API was one. If we have something to talk about and about crypto, I don't know, I will ask internally, but I don't think, because that is too complicated, so I know nothing, but I will ask only for personal, knowledge. Okay, I will keep writing here. In case you guys ask some interesting question. If I don't know something, it's because I'm not managing it. Or, well, that's it. If I'm not managing a topic, like if you ask me when will they fix a specific bug, I don't know, but I think also the developer itself will never know when he or she will fix the bug, because it's time sensitive, you don't know. You cannot know. No one will ever know that. We just need to wait. The roadmap. So the beginning of the roadmap will be me with the streams, I guess, updating you guys about what we're doing with small updates. But yeah, roadmap is needed, and I'm sure they will work on it. When it's going to be released, I hope really soon, because this is something the community asked a lot about, but we need to finalize probably some other feature first. We need to publish some other feature basically. No. There are other features planned before the end of the year, really soon. So yeah, don't worry about that. We will keep fixing and developing new features. We are organized internally. Are there any plans to increase the limit of 15? Yeah. I already reported that. I already created a ticket. When was it? Friday, I guess. And on Monday, I'm going to talk with the developers so we can increase the limit and work a different solution. Like, well, yeah, we can increase the limit, and then in the future, we will add some other filters so that you guys can easily search by name, by location, and other stuff. Was already planned, so don't worry about that. We need to, and we planned already to improve the user experience. We know where the issues are, and we are going to improve those features. No, we have an internal roadmap constantly, but the public one, which is even on a long term, even, where more information are displayed for the community, less technical and more, how do you say that in English? Explaining more the concept itself in a visionary way, but without all those technical details, with tickets and plans and developers assigned to tasks. Is needed. Sorry about the question, I forgot that. But yeah, we have an internal one. The external one is different in terms of writing it. So that's why it's being delayed for so long. And there are also other plans connected to it, so that's why. Let's see. I think Mr. Dillon either damaged his reputation or he will surprise us. Probably more the second, I guess. Yeah, okay. Does Shane know you're doing this stream? Did he approve it? Just wondering if Shane also wants to improve communication. Also, what's happening with Lewis' plan? This is interesting. So Shane, yes, I told him back in the day, say, Shane, I'm going to stream sometimes. So, and he's like, yeah, fine, just don't deliver like super secret information, such as when phase 69 will be out. And so yesterday, and yeah, he's okay with that. I'm the community manager guy that can do this, and also Liz and Kieran, the community managers can do this without problems. We just need to be professional and not to say wrong things clearly. Yeah, phase 69, that's a nice one. And about Lewis, I'm going to talk about that thing tomorrow, and I already said I already told this to someone, I don't remember who, via Discord. So maybe this will be another of those discussions we can have with the next stream next week. A backdating of resources with placing hollow buildings. No, not because I don't want it, because I'm not allowed, but because I don't have details about that. But I will write this down as well. So maybe we can talk next time once I know more information, because I don't want to deliver clearly wrong information or those that we are not sure about. So yeah, we need to be 100% sure before talking about a specific topic. So backdated resources, what did you write? Backdating resources with placing hollows. Okay. It is important to receive your feedback, so then I can deliver more updates. I will Is Shane watching those streams? I don't think so. The last time I was like, hey Shane, wanna say something to the chat? And he was like, yeah, big things coming, say hello to everyone. And this was when? 3 months ago? Or 4 months ago, yeah. I don't remember. The first live streaming. It was the first one I did. So yeah. Okay, let me quickly go through the list I wrote for the stream, because I don't want to have you guys bored about me answering only to chat questions, yeah, this is also important. So we recently assigned APLs to megacities, and we notified all the users about removing APLs from their account and assigning those APLs to other properties. So everything is being managed, and everything was successful. I'm still waiting for one APL because I need the guy to confirm the APL, I guess. One or two, I don't remember, probably two of them. Yeah, I still need to wait for two, but all fine, I guess. I mean, that worked out. If you follow me on Twitter, I updated the community saying, hey, in 48 hours, we're going to assign the APLs to Megacities project and such, and we maintained the promise. So yeah, and it was what, Friday? Yeah, Friday. We did that on Friday. Why is Nathaniel video always being delayed? So, I'm sorry. I watch it. It's really cool, and I think it's really interesting. Why is being delayed? I think that will be part of this discussion we're going to have tomorrow, or it will be combined to someone else. That is something I need to ask Shane if he has some more information to share with the community, because clearly we, like many said, we promised that, saying, hey, the video will be out in a few weeks and blah blah blah, and this was 2 months ago. I don't remember. That is not important anyway, the time, but we are late and we need to answer to the community about why this decision was taken, so that you guys can feel relaxed and say, okay, it's for this reason. Yeah, we acknowledge that, like, we got that, or we don't like this excuse, and then we can discuss about it. So no, it's not next week anyway. No, I need to talk on Monday. This is another topic. Let me write down, just to be sure, it is in the list, but I want to write down what the community is asking. So Nathaniel video. Community feedback, guys. Back and forth. This is the logic I wanted to keep, and this is what every game company needs. That's why communication is important to me, and I'm tired of saying it without doing anything. So yeah. No, jewels are worth something. So yeah, there are plans on them before the end of the year. Can you tell to the team to make jewels useful as app? Again, that's the same answer. So yeah, we know. I see that. I see prices going up and down, then more down, and we talk internally. We are not stupid. We just don't communicate too much externally. That's why we are here. That's why I am here. But yeah, with you. Let's see. Okay, so there is another huge topic I would like to talk with you guys that I will probably, let's say, something cool I would like to do with you from the next stream that will probably make you happy. And so, the idea is to, while live streaming, to receive community feedback in real time and to design in real time concept for Earth 2. For example, I will do a quick example right now. Where is it? So there we go. Let's go on Earth 2 really quick. I'll show you. Yo, why so slow? Oh, that's a lot of properties then. Okay, let's pick. There is something I wanted to do, which I'm going to talk on Monday. Yeah, on Monday we will have a lot of polls. So my idea, I don't know if you guys like this, but I would like to design something like this. Okay. Then let me take 1 second, one quick file from my directory. Okay. I'm not a web developer, so sorry if I'm slow, okay? Don't blame me, blame my brain. Okay, something like this, and instead of rewards, like badges. So like something like this for content creators or for, I don't know, mega cities or anything related to specific cool projects, so that we can mark these people and these users, basically. So users will not only have the egg icons, but they may have also a small badges saying, hey, this is a YouTuber, this is a streamer, this is like the boss or the owner, CEO of a mega city. I don't know. You guys like this idea? I don't know. Is this interesting? Is it just a, you know, a small design idea, but I would like to do more like this during next streams. So you guys can suggest me, hey Thomas, can you add this feature on this website? And I can do that in real time, create the concept, and then talk with the internal developers. So, you know, direct feedback from community. I don't know if this is a I don't know. Yeah, it could create some drama, but you know, this is this type of discussion that I would like to have with the community, if they think this is good or not. I don't know, like other badges. And so if I have a feedback from the community, and so if you guys like or if you guys don't like something before doing mistakes, we can talk, you know? Yeah, maybe a mega city badge, yeah. Or like content creator role pop. More statistic, yeah, more statistic, yeah, okay. So also that, more statistic. We can design the concept for that. Maybe it should be already something development, because there are a lot of reworks being done in the background that you will see hopefully soon. I also think it might be important for a player to have several, because of how many players play both tiles in most cities. Yeah, so having several badges, you mean? But then we need to keep those badges unique or rare so that they have a value, because like the eggs, you know, eggs have a value. Those are not just random PNGs. Yeah. It can be. I'm just dropping the idea. Like, could it be something more for everyone and not alone for, or not only for content creators, megacities? Yeah. Again, I just dropped the ideas with a starting point for content creators, megacities, but we can expand it in a different way, reworking the badges or reward system a little bit. This is the idea, you know. I had these thoughts a few days ago, and I was like, yeah, why not rewarding the community a little bit more with those things? But yeah, I don't know. Yeah, users who purchase in 2020. Yeah, that will be cool. Or in 2019 too, so you will know early investors or players or users, the way you want to call them. Like this logic is adopted for Paladins, Overwatch, League of Legends to CSGO to League of Legends. You can select the icon of the year you joined the game. So that's cool, I guess. So yeah, that will be good. Okay, let me quickly see the next topics. Yeah, I don't know what. Let me know also via Discord private messages if you want what you think about these design ideas developed in real time with community. Clearly, when designing ideas or features, we cannot be 100% sure we're going to implement those, but having a solid input from the community may help a lot, speeding up the background process during the development, right? When in game chat, ranking League of Legends. So Yeah, someone is asking and ask me again when in-game chat. Because you guys noticed the new notification hub system. The notification hub system will be improved over time, and an update should come in a few as well. Not the next week clearly, so I don't know when, because we need to develop some other update. We need to push other updates first, but design team is working on new improvements for the HUD for the notification hub. I don't know about in-game chat, but it is something to do with that system. So the future improvements will introduce probably also that. I need to ask. I will ask. Okay, so let me write this down again. I need to talk with these two different developers. So in-game chat. I will be curious, because with an in-game chat you can trade and message with other users instead of just waiting the counter bid, for example, or waiting for an offer. You can directly chat to users. Yeah, someone may just insult people around, but we will have filters and a moderation system inside the game, or inside the website, basically. Save. Okay. Okay, cool. So yeah, I hope I explained more or less how the logic works behind with community management, moderators, when reporting a bug, when receiving a feature request or suggestion, and so on. And I don't know if you guys like the idea about designing in live stream feature requests from the community. I would like to do it, honestly. A translation function. That's a very generic question. I don't know. But yeah, I don't know. I don't think is high priority at the moment. Because first it's better to develop the actual game, and then you can develop languages and different languages basically. For chatting other users, like Tandem app or other communications system, where there is the auto translator inside the chat. I get that. That will be cool. I need to ask because I'm not the designer designing that, but I will ask, with translator. Okay. Cool. So I covered all the topics more or less. There's a lot of new community projects, and one of the really cool ones I would like to talk about really quick is the one about State 1. I don't know if you guys know State 1, but they recently did some sort of conference in Italy. I'm Italian, so that's why I knew about this. They are really cool guys. If you're interested, probably I will leave the link on my Discord. If you would like to watch it, let me just drop in on general. If you're not into Discord on my server, you can join, but you can only join to check the video and then exit if you want. I'm not that guy that asks you to stay inside Discord. There won't be any spam notification or whatever, but free to do whatever you want. I'm really curious about State 1 as well as other mega cities and projects like the one from Nameless. I don't know what is going to do Tech Ops with the rest. And there was another one. What was it? I need to check really quick. But there are a lot of community projects that are like expanding every day. It was... Damn, I'm the worst with names. I keep forgetting. There are too many, for real. Star City or Oasis Mega City, I guess, or it was Star City. I don't remember. There was a Mega City, a specific one. Yeah, also Central. I would like to know more about Central. So yeah. No, we're going to improve. We're going to develop some other updates, so don't worry. Even if sometimes we receive bad feedbacks or not bad feedbacks, sorry. Bad reviews, those always help us to improve. They push us saying, hey guys, the community is not entirely happy about something we developed. We need to improve and we need to fix this. And we need to prevent future issues. So it's not that we don't care. We do absolutely. The only problem we probably have is the communication with the community, which everyone is talking about. So I cannot say, hey, no, it's not true. I'll acknowledge it. I'll be completely honest. I'm hearing you guys. We are hearing you guys. So I will talk about this on Monday. This will be a really important topic for me. Yeah. So more or less, I covered all topics within an hour, and I replied to some of your questions. I don't know if you have some more, but how do hollow building works? Yeah, something deep. Oh, I forgot about this. There are too many things to talk about. So really quick, I don't know who reported this. I forgot, but basically, if you're not logged in, you can see the how to, the news page, and support. But if you're logged in, you won't see any how to or support or whatever. This is really annoying. So always on Friday, I created the ticket to add also here those buttons, so users can view the how to and interact with those contents we created for the community. Yeah, that sucks that you need to go on the logo and then how to. But this is something we know. I don't know why we did not notice this before, but it's going to be fixed. It's quite important. So yeah. Yeah. Okay, can you talk about how communication with Vicarious is going better? And finally, there is some communication in the background. But again, this is something I need to talk on Monday. So about improvements, what we can do, how it's going to move the situation, what we're going to change, what will be improved, and so on. That's also why I wanted to do the stream, because right now I'm receiving community feedback and I can feel somehow your feelings towards the game and the current status of Earth 2. So it's cool, okay? So keep sharing any feedback you have. I'll take it and then I will slam those feedback in the face of the others. In a good way, I mean, I'm just kidding, joking. Those girls are playing Pokemon Go? That is interesting. I would like to play Pokemon Go as well, but I prefer the old Pokemons, to be honest. Only a small amount of the community have concerns, to be honest. Even if it's one user, for me, it is important because I don't think that a random user